music that got us through. And tonight, I want to dedicate this next medley of beautiful OPM songs to all the Filipinos here in Canada. Palakpakan niyo po ang inyong mga sarili, guys. All the pioneers, the caregivers, the nurses, the newcomers, and the families holding it all together. Again, you guys deserve a big, big round of applause. Come on! And this is also extra special for me because this medley is my father's absolute favorite. This is for everyone. Sinasamba kita, higit sa'yo akala, iniibig lang kita. Pagkalang ko sa'yo'y sa buhay wala ang buhay may ibibigay ko pa. Sinasamba kita. Kung ano man ay hindi mahalaga, basta't sinasamba kita. Ang pagmamahal ang siyang nananaman na aking nadarama. Pagsasama natin di magtatagal. Kay laki ng hadlang sa atin pag-ibig. Kung tayo'y magkakalayo at kahit mayroon ka ng iba, ikaw pa rin ang buhay ko kahit ika'y malayo na. Kailangan mo sa oras ng iyong pag-iisa. Kung hindi asahan kung ako ay darating, ako'y kailangan mo sa sandaling bigo na sungay tamis. Kailan may di kita matitiis sa sandaling kailangan, sa sandaling ikaw pala ang hinihintay ko. Pangarap ngayon'y kapiling ka at tayo'y isa. Hindi ko hahayaan na sa akin ay may hadlang. Pangako sa'yo, ipaglalaanan mo sa hirap natin hawak ang ating pag-ibig. Upang di magkalayo, kailanman pagkakatulad mo ay minsan lang sa buhay ko.
Grabe naman, Eric Santos.
Thank you!
Kaya ikaw yung nanalo sa singing contest at hindi ako eh. Kasi napakagaling mo talaga.
Maraming
After 23
years. Wait,
years.
Star in the Middle,
Guys.
by the way, yung isa namin kaibigan, Star in the Middle, si DK Diham is watching right now.
Hey, DK!
Hi, DK!
At this point, we'd like to thank the following who made this show possible. Our Toronto producer, Tala Entertainment. Please give them a round of applause.
Thank you, Tala!
Our tour sponsors, MTS Law Firm, Attorney Mary Lynn Tisana for our US visa processing, and Bello Medical Group, Dr. Vicky Bello.
And of course, our platinum sponsors, Primit Lee, Hampton Inn and Homewood Suites, Maria Onilia Consultancy,
Sorry?
Edo, Westfield,
Alright, thank you.
Thank you also to Tinuno, Canada, Balaxlo, Seafood City.
Masayaw tayo, guys.
Mint, Likha, Marian Reyes, Subotai, and Makilala.
Napakasarap ng food, no? Sure. And of course, thank you to our overall tour promoter, Star Media Entertainment, Miss Ana Puno. Thank you so much, Ana.
Also, and to introduce the members of our band. On bass, Nando Guzman. On drums, Mark Ipona.
On guitars, we have Adam Cesarte. And sa keyboard, we have Daniel Yap.
And of course, our amazing musical director, Jeff Florento.
Thank you also to our opening acts and to our audience as well. We love you so much.
Thank you so much, guys.
We always wanted to witness a special request. We had to exchange all of our hits, so we hope you enjoy this number. Take it away, Jonah.
So basically, I'm singing Christian Bautista's hit. Hope you like this one.